Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today I'll be talking about your all except function. So all except function, what it does is it takes in a table name as an input, and you can say the other input is column name. So what it does, it is like it removes the filter from the table, but it will try to return or try to retain all the filters which is applied on the column side. So we will try to explore via example, or you can say hands-on. So let's quickly jump on onto Power BI. So right now what I have done is I have created a matrix wherein I have added product group, product, and values for customer sales. Customer sales is nothing but my product into quantity sold into unit price. So let's just create a new measure using all selected, sorry, all except. So customer sales, all except. So let's just see the syntax first before jumping on to the DAX. So what the syntax says is all except takes in table name as I discussed and a column name. So it will try to remove all the filters from the table name, and it will try to retain all the filters which are applied in column name. So it says returns all the rows in a table except for those rows that are affected by specified column filters. That's what I said, right? So let's just quickly jump in. We can use this what do you call all except function in our calculate modifier. So we'll use calculate function, calculate, would take my customer sales, customers by sales, comma, I'll use the all except function now, all except, all except, let's say I want the values to be captured for the product group, right? So what I will do is I'll take a sales by store table. From there, I will get my product lookup table, wherein I'll find my product group. And if you want to use calendar, you can use calendar. Like for such state, I don't want for this to this date, I don't want the total to change. You can also use that technique too, but I'm not using it. It's up to you if you want to use it, and hit enter. It's similar to, I would say, an all function which captures the total of it. But here I'm trying to capture my uh, product group total. Let's see if I'm able to successfully capture or not. Now I'm dragging this. See guys, I have successfully captured my product groups total, which is 51,060, which is nothing but 51,060, and all the products under the product group are having in the same value, right? So this is very handy when you have to do some additional calculations, right? Additional calculations in the sense, let's say we need to find the ratio, among the products present in the product groups. So if you type in ratio, as the ratios, I've already used the ratio variable, which I mean the name. So I'll take divide. I'll use customer by sales. Customer by sales, comma. I'll take another measure which I've just created, customer all accept, and alternate result I would give a dash. Okay guys, so let's pull in the ratio measures table. Ratios, okay, where is that? Okay, fine. Ratios, yeah, this is the one. Pull in the values. You can also include the percentage thing. And it's in significant digit of 2. Fine. So add-on is my product group, which is 100% out here, which is giving my totals. Now I want to see how is this 100% coming up, the breakdown of this 100%. So caramel syrup is contributing 24.2 percentage, chocolate syrup is contributing to 25.15 percentage, hazelnut syrup is contributing to 22.80 percentage, and sugar-free vanilla syrup is contributing to 27.83 percentage. So this is how you can use customer all accept. I'll just recap what I have done. Customer all accept, or you can say all accept uh, function can be used using calculate modifier. I'm taking the customer sales. You can take your measures, whether it is volume, profit, loss, whatever it is. Its major job is to remove the filters from the table and keep the filters from the column. What's and like this is the filter which I am removing from the table, and the columns which I am keeping the filters are sales by store, sales by store, and the product lookup product group. So this is my product group, right? Beverages is my product group. So it's time to see either sales by store. Sales by store is this, and this is my product lookup product group. So it is capturing all the values across different products. Got my point? So that's it for this lecture. We'll see you in the upcoming lecture. If you like my channel, if you like my work, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.